Just out doing a bit of bumper restoration. Faded plastic. It looked like this. And I used a blowtorch and heated it all up. Now it looks like this. Just bringing her back to life a bit at a time. I could go grab the torch and show you. Maybe I'll do that. Let's go see. Go grab the torch. In my messy garage. Woohoo. Got my torch here. Oh. Get her lit up. Just move it back and forth. Try not to stay in one spot too long. I moved the camera back and forth, I guess, with it. Almost like painting. Just the right amount of heat. Make her look like new again. I don't know how this video will come out, but go back over it real fast. Try and even it out. I just keep going until it shines without getting it too hot. And there you go. Still a little more to do there, right here. And when you're done, it looks like that. So there you go. Just thought I'd show you guys a quick restoration of plastic. Have a good day.